Guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This has been on uptrend for some days right now. It all started from here, gave us an uptrend signal, and of course, it has been buying since then. Okay, so right now, I remember very well in the video I created this morning, this actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and I said if it breaks out below this trend line, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it's still going to buy more at that particular point. As you can see, this is still buying right now, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is our GainX 999, and of course we're going to check out the current situation of the market. Okay, also in the morning we realized that this has been, or it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend from this support region, and as you can see, it has been spiking since then, and it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So this is still buying right now even as we speak. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is now the current chart of this. This actually started an uptrend right from here and got to this region, wasn't able to go further. Okay, right from there it started a downtrend, even though it's played around there from for a while, but it is still more of a selling opportunity. We just needed to break out from here so that we can be assured that it's still going to sell more, most especially once it breaks out from here, and it may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this should be more selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from that support region. That is when it's not going to really sell much. Okay, then the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and this has been on downtrend for a while. For some days now, it has been on downtrend, selling right from here and breaking out from most support region. And in the morning, I told us that these are the support region. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. It played around there for a while, but later on, it broke out below it, so in order to give us more selling opportunity. This is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from the next support region. That is when we can say it is going to go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend right from here, give us a downtrend signal and some sell signals, and it has been selling since then. But right now has got into this support region, it has not been able to break out from there. It might pull back a bit before it will continue with the trend, but as it is giving us an uptrend signal, and of course it is buying right from there. Just like I have said, okay, this is the right time for you to jump into it if you are trading a new trend. Okay, and you can see people are already milking it right now, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, and of course, the only reason why it will not buy is if it pulls back and it breaks out below this support zone. That is when it will not buy. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.